Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best ELMER'S glue gallon is probably one of the most essential supplies for any slime enthusiast, offering a massive quantity of the trusted brand's PVA glue that forms the perfect base for countless slime creations, ensuring you have more than enough to experiment with different textures, colors, and additions without running out mid-project, making it an economical and convenient choice for serious slime makers who demand quality and volume. Number 5. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Get ready for hours of imaginative fun with this delightful ice cream slime kit. It's designed to spark creativity and let kids design their own unique, scented slimes. This playful 31-piece set has everything needed to create custom slime textures. You'll find all the essentials for making wonderfully scented and decorated creations. More than just a toy, this kit encourages creativity and decision-making. It's a fantastic way for kids to learn valuable skills through hands-on mixing and design. Dive into a world of stretchy, squishy textures and vibrant colors. This interactive kit provides a sensory-rich experience for endless creative crafting. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY craft set is perfect for birthdays and special occasions. It even includes a storage container to keep everything organized for future fun. What we like? This kit offers a unique ice cream theme with a delightful cherry scent. If you are looking for a fun and engaging activity for kids aged 8 to 12 that sparks creativity and sensory exploration, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for birthday gifts or a creative afternoon project. What people say. The glue is perfect for slime making. It creates a great texture. This gallon jug provides a lot of glue for multiple slime projects. The glue is easy to use and mix with slime activators. Number 4. Original Stationery Soft Clay for Slime. Discover a world of imagination with our soft, pliable clay. It's perfect for creating stretchy butter slime and enhancing your slime-making adventures. Transform this white modeling clay into amazing sculptures or unique slime creations. It works with activators, offering endless fun for young artists. Designed for kids, this lightweight clay makes crafting butter slime a joy. It's compatible with various slime supplies, letting children express their artistic flair. Engage in delightful sensory play with this soft clay, perfect for cozy indoor activities. Its moldable nature encourages imaginative and creative fun. Spark creativity and learning with this exceptional DIY slime kit. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays or parties, bringing dynamic crafting and pure joy. What we like? This soft clay is specifically designed to create that perfect butter slime texture. If you enjoy making slime and want to add a stretchy, airy, and moldable element to your creations, this is the ideal add-in. It's great for kids who love tactile play and experimenting with different slime consistencies. What people say. This glue is perfect for slime making. It creates a great texture and is easy to work with. The gallon size is very economical and lasts a long time, making it a great value for frequent slime makers. Number 3. Maddie RAE'S White Slime Glue 1 Gallon Jug. Unlock endless slime possibilities with this premium white glue. It's specially formulated for creating smooth, stretchy, and fun slime recipes that kids adore. This large gallon jug is perfect for classrooms, parties, and frequent slime makers. It's ideal for group activities and all your bulk crafting needs. Our kid-friendly formula is non-toxic and washable, making it safe for slime making and arts and crafts. Enjoy creative fun with peace of mind. This versatile white glue isn't just for slime. Use it for paper crafts, decorations, school projects, and a variety of creative DIY endeavors. It's excellent for summer camps, rainy days, and after-school fun. Keep little hands busy with creative play all year round. Experiment with various slime textures like fluffy, butter, and classic. This glue provides the perfect base for all your imaginative creations. What we like? This is a value-sized gallon jug of non-toxic, washable white glue. If you're a frequent slime maker, run a classroom, or are planning a large group craft event, this bulk option is incredibly economical and convenient. It's perfect for all types of slime recipes and general arts and crafts. What people say. This glue is perfect for making slime. It's easy to use and makes great slime. The glue is non-toxic and washable. Number 2. ELMER'S Clear Liquid School Glue, 1 gallon. Looking for the best glue for your classroom or home? This is the #1 teacher recommended brand for a reason. It's perfect for creating fun slime or bonding various materials like paper, wood, and fabric. Let your creativity flow. This washable and non-toxic formula is ideal for children's projects. You can feel confident using it with your little ones. Need to make adjustments? It stays workable before setting, making it easy to achieve perfect results every time. The smooth, clear glue formula is fantastic for making slime. It's great for both home and classroom crafting sessions. From arts and crafts to school projects, this glue is a versatile choice. It works wonderfully on paper, wood, fabric, and ceramics. What we like? This clear glue comes in a large gallon size and is a #1 teacher brand. If you're aiming for transparent, crystal clear slime or need a reliable, washable glue for various school projects and crafts, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for detailed slime creations and classroom use. What people say. This glue is perfect for making slime. It's a great value for the price. The glue is easy to use and clean up. #1. ELMER'S White Liquid School Glue, 1 gallon. Discover the trusted choice of educators for all your creative endeavors. This versatile glue is perfect for a wide range of projects. Easily create amazing slime with this classic white glue. It's the perfect base for endless fun and imaginative play. This glue isn't just for paper, it securely bonds wood, fabric, and ceramics. Let your creativity flow across different materials. Designed with children in mind, it's safe, washable, and non-toxic. Enjoy peace of mind while they create and explore. Its no-run formula allows for adjustments before it sets, ensuring a perfect application every time. It dries clear for a clean finish. With a generous 1 gallon size, you'll have plenty for all your arts, crafts, and classroom projects. It's ideal for both home and school. What we like? This is the classic white school glue in a convenient gallon size, trusted by teachers. If you prefer a traditional white glue base for your slime or need a versatile, washable adhesive for a wide range of arts, crafts, and school projects, this is a go-to choice. It's perfect for everyday crafting and slime making. What people say. This glue is perfect for making slime. It's a great value for the price. The glue is easy to use and makes great slime. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.